just got a text from Cam. It says, hey man, there's like 10 plus Amazon packages piling up here. So yeah, let's go over there and let's pick up these packages and we'll just have to deal with them. So the reason these boxes showed up at this house as opposed to my other house, this is the house I used to live in that I own, but I actually decided that I wanted to use it as a rental property. So I rented it out to this person who texted me and just told me about these boxes. I feel kind of bad for them because they've had a few instances of our stuff showing up at their house. Yeah, I feel bad for him having to deal with these boxes, but hopefully he hasn't had to do too much. I think they're just out on the porch and ready for us to pick up. It's basically inventory that you chose in your return settings to have sent back to you. And so when a customer buys something and it's not able to be returned back to your inventory, Amazon is actually just gonna send that back to you unless you have the return setting on there that you want to dispose of that inventory. A lot of the stuff that is returned gets returned back to my inventory because it's just like customer unwanted, something like that. Maybe they refuse delivery. So the return just gets put right back into my inventory and then, you know, sold to somebody else. But with the customer damaged ones, it's gonna get returned back to my whatever address I have in that return settings. So that's what we're going to deal with right now, is those packages that were customer returns or unfillable inventory that now I have to figure out what to do with. All right, so it's not too bad. There's just a bunch of small little packages here. Luckily, most of the stuff that I sell is smaller, so a bunch of food items and all right, so we're back home and here is all of the packages that we just got from my front porch of my other house. All right, so let's just start opening these up and that way we can figure out what we're gonna do with them. Is a vanilla flavored melting wafers by Ghirardelli. I know for a fact why this product came back was because Amazon took down the listing, and so when they take down the listing, all of the products that are on that listing, they have to be sent back to you, and then you can find another ASIN to put them under. This is something that, you know, we're probably gonna be able to resell because it's completely sealed. It never went to a customer. So I imagine I had like 9 units of these and I think they were each a 2-pack, which yeah, they were. So I bet most of these are gonna be the Ghirardelli chocolate wafers. Came back. It's pretty cool because you can, you know, see how Ecom Solutions actually packages everything. These are all sent to Ecom Solutions individually, and then the ASIN that I listed this under was a 2-pack. So you can see they actually polybag everything for you, and then they put these labels on there that, you know, it says do not separate, this is a set. So Amazon knows not to separate the items and sell it as a 2-pack. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm actually gonna go on eBay and see how much we can sell these for and see if it's a good option for us to be able to list these and sell them and still be able to pay for the shipping and all that, or if it's better to just dispose of the inventory and call it a loss. If you guys have been following my channel for a while, you know I'm banned from eBay, so we're gonna have to set Haley up with an account, and this will be her job to do this, and obviously, you know, she'll make the money from it. That's the plan. Now I'm at my computer. You can see here that I paid $9.90 per 2-pack. So let's go ahead and put that in our cost right here, $9.90. So now let's go into eBay and see what we got here for this same product. All right, so you can see that two 30-ounce bags. What is this? These are 10-ounce bags. So we need to find some 10-ounce bags. All right, so this person sold this on December 28th, 2021 for $7.59 plus $7.25 shipping. And you know what? That's for one bag too. So let's click into that listing and just see. All right, so they've only sold one. Let's see here. This person sold 8. So we have, I'm gonna go ahead and put this in Excel over here. And so each unit costs $4.95, right? And this person was selling it for $14.39 individually. Basically you get $7.28 to work with for the shipping. So I think we can make some money on these. We got our lighting studio over here, taking the photos for eBay. Look at that setup. That's very professional. All right, so there's our current products right now from those photos. What we're gonna do is we're gonna use this app called Photo Scissors and remove the background. And as you can see, it removes the background from there. So yeah, let's just feather it a little bit. And now we're gonna do that for all of these. So we have 6 pictures total. The more pictures you have on eBay, from my experience when I was drop shipping, the better the product is gonna do in the search results. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna get 6 nice photos, a nice description, and hopefully we can sell these products that were not fulfillable anymore. Make some of our money back possibly. All right, so we got our lister right here, setting up the eBay listing. Reminds me of the good old days before eBay put the band hammer on me. So clearly, you know, I couldn't help myself but to get in and write a description and do the listing, putting some of my old skills of Dropship Tyler to work. They are live on eBay, and it's a brand new store. There's no reviews, anything like that, so I'm not expecting these to sell, but at least now they have the opportunity to sell, and there is potential where we recover some of this money. The other option would have been to look for another ASIN on Amazon and just send everything in under that new ASIN. But we want to have a little fun with it. Haley has been talking about how she wants to create her own little side hustle. So I'm gonna let her manage all of my inventory that comes back from Amazon. And basically when things sell, she can just give me the cost of the item that I paid and keep the rest for herself, whatever profit is. So we'll just store them here in my office, and hopefully they'll slowly start disappearing. If you guys have any questions about anything related with FBA, please feel free to leave those in the comments below. I will do a more in-depth video in my computer about the return reports and how much money returns cost me, how much these items actually cost to get shipped back to my house. So look out for that video. Before you go, don't forget to hit that like button, and if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe to the channel. Thanks, guys.